Alright, so for my final project, I made a MIDI controller that has 6 buttons, and they're arcade buttons, and I cut some holes in this like project box here, and I soldered them to some jumper cables, wires, and I also have 4 potentiometers up here that control a low-pass filter, or high-pass filter, low-pass filter, a fade effect, and a flanger effect. And so I have everything running through Ableton right now. And so these buttons just control some samples that I dropped in, and I also have on my breadboard, let me put it in the camera, it's a button, and it's like basically it works as a toggle switch, because I have a MIDI pitch effect in there, so every time you press this button, it changes the octave, or it moves the, basically like the sample, the pad up an octave, and so then I have access to more pads, I guess, and samples that I could utilize. So yeah, and then I have the LCD display here, giving the values of the high pass, low pass, all the effects, fade and everything. Sorry, my camera keeps falling. But yeah, I'll demo it and everything, but it was a pretty fun project though. And obviously I didn't measure right on here, so it's kind of sinking in, but that's okay. It was my first one. And then another thing too is my display is acting weird right now, and my brain is fried from finals and all these final projects and stuff, but it suits my needs right now because I know which one I'm moving, but it doesn't, it's just acting funky basically, but I'll demo it and you can see. But yeah, cool.